Consumers today are embracing and requesting digital services and virtual wallets. Casino operators are required to rethink how their guests access cash and bring funds to the gaming floor. The need to provide a high-level guest service while maintaining safe interactions has driven a demand for cashless, self-service, and touchless solutions. Everi is proud to announce the launch of CashClub Wallet, a secure, PCI-certified, FDIC-insured AML payment engine for digital payments. CashClub Wallet is a mobile, cashless, and loyalty application that provides an omni-channel experience throughout the casino resort. CashClub Wallet is easily connected to your Everi payment products, which include ATM kiosk modules such as Quick Ticket, check cashing, and credit card advances. The CashClub Wallet app provides identity security and payment credentials, allowing deposits and withdrawals from the player's personal financial accounts. Funds can be loaded onto any mobile device with CashClub Wallet. Once funds are loaded onto the CashClub Wallet, patrons can tap to wirelessly load funds directly onto the gaming device. When patrons cash out, they select Redeem and tap the gaming device. The remaining funds are loaded back into the CashClub Wallet. Patrons can keep funds in their CashClub Wallet, move to another game, cash out through an Everi kiosk, or deposit directly back to their personal financial accounts via ACH. Everi solves the challenges of bringing additional cash funds onto the casino floor with a multi-channel view which allows for greater operational efficiency, responsible gaming support, additional revenue streams, all while improving customer satisfaction and client support. CashClub Wallet provides a complete enterprise of solutions, which includes retail operations and integrates with the resort's custom apps. Everi brings unprecedented solutions for casino operators embracing a cashless solution for today's customer base. To learn more about Everi's CashClub Wallet, please contact your Everi sales representative.
Nothing is more exciting for patrons than winning big at your casino. But waiting for jackpots to be paid often takes the fun out of winning. Long wait times result in frustrated customers and lost revenue. Now you can keep your winners happy and playing with Jackpot Express. Jackpot Express is a new app from Everi that speeds up the slot jackpot process, slashes annoying wait times, and eliminates paper documents. Attendants are instantly notified when a new jackpot hits their zone so they can be quickly dispatched. Tax forms and jackpot slips are all completed electronically, letting your attendants breeze through complex internal controls with ease. Not only will Jackpot Express save time for your patrons, you will also save staff's time as well. With Jackpot Express, your audit and compliance teams will no longer have to deal with all that paper, making the audit and reconciliation process smoother and faster. Jackpot Express offers a wide variety of features such as real-time alerting, digital W-9, W-2G and 1042S tax documents, easy tax withholdings, digital jackpot slips, patron validation services, and much, much more. Jackpot Express can be deployed on mobile devices and Everi kiosk. It was named in the top 20 most innovative gaming technology products by Casino Journal. Faster jackpots, happier customers, efficient employees, and increased profitability, all with Jackpot Express.